Garlic Brussels sprouts. First, you want to start off by letting your Brussels sprouts soak in white vinegar for about 5 or 10 minutes to clean them. And then this is one of the most asked questions I get about Brussels sprouts. How do I cut them? I like to cut the stem, slice them in half, and then cut the halves again about 3 or 4 more times. I like them to be kind of finely shredded because I don't like the big bulky taste of Brussels sprouts. Next, I like to let them soak in a paper towel for about 5 or 10 minutes just to kind of soak up some of the water that is absorbed still in the Brussels sprouts. So I like to do that. And then here's my sausage of choice. This is my protein that I'm adding to these veggies. I go through and I like to kind of slice them at an angle. And once I go through and slice them once, I then go back and slice them in half again. So again, enough to give it a little flavor. Look at this paper towel, completely soaked, which is why I like to soak up some of that. Next, you want to put both of these in on the skillet. Use all of these seasonings in both of them, including the extra virgin olive oil. Let those sausage cook for just a couple of minutes and then add everything, including the grease, into the mixture in the pan with the Brussels sprouts. That was my secret spread, garlic spread, y'all. So good. Again, let them cook down to your texture of choice. I like them to look exactly like this, y'all. This thing is banging right here. Quick way to get veggies. I eat this for summer